If you haven't got a pet, or you just can't afford the time or finances, have you considered just looking after the wildlife that's already in your backyard? This is the Eastern Rosella, which is a very pretty and colorful parrot. It's just a little bit smaller than the Crimson Rosella, which is blue and red. And these two were having a fantastic time in the garden, eating some apples and then eating some pine cones, I think. I also saw this native wood pigeon, and it's obviously eating some bread that someone else left. Definitely not me. Thanks for watching.